Today, we will look at some maps showing the habitats of different animals. Here's a map showing the habitats of llamas, alpacas, vicuñas, and guanacos. This map shows where in the world you can find penguins. Galapagos penguins are very unique because they actually live near the equator. Kangaroo population density map in Australia. This map shows where hippopotamuses live. You should be cautious visiting these areas, as hippos cause 500 deaths per year. The habitats of each chimpanzee species. This map shows where rhinos live in the past versus the present. Where the different sloth species live. Where the world's 1 billion sheep live. Where in the world you can find elephants. They are amongst the most intelligent animals on Earth. Where gray wolves live. Where rabbits live. It's unfortunate if you live in one of the few areas they are not found.